Hey beauties and bows, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if you're new here, let me be the first to welcome you. My channel focuses on fashion, travel, and overall lifestyle, and if that is the kind of content that you are into, then I would encourage you to subscribe, share, like. Definitely hit that bell notification so you know each time I upload a video. I upload every Wednesday and every Friday, so make sure you check it out. If you don't do so already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My handle is customs_chic. Again, that is customs_chic. I am coming to you. I'm not vlogging right now, but I'm giving you guys a playback of my weekend in Chicago a couple weeks ago, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Hung out with some friends, had some good eats, went to get my eyelashes done. They're still popping, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, so I landed in Chicago 3 hours ago, probably 3 hours ago, and I came straight to the Chicago Chop House. You can see, there it is, the Chop House sign. Oh, not our Uber. I landed a little while ago and I just had dinner. I would show, but show doesn't want to be shown.
Show does not want to be shown. Hey guys.
But you can hear her, right? Okay, so we are gonna go home now. We just had dinner, which was really, really good, with good company, good laughter, good banter. These are the Chicago streets out here during COVID. Ooh, it's like Lightning McQueen out here. Lightning McQueen is a fictional character for all of you who don't know. But okay, so we're gonna go home and get into something comfortable because both her and I work tomorrow, so yeah. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi everybody, I am, wow. I am dealing with a super huge zit, or do people still say zit? Pimple? Whatever, okay. This is night 1 of Chicago. I just washed my face, did all of that good stuff, and getting ready to go to bed. I have my liners in. We went to Chop House tonight, which was really good. I had the ribeye. I highly recommend it. I cannot believe how pronounced this thing is. Okay, well, I'm getting ready to go to bed. I will give you guys a complete home tour tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, good night everyone. Everyone, happy Friday. I am up. I've been up for a little while. I just ordered breakfast from a local restaurant called Yolk. I'll show you guys a video of that as I'm talking. I'm actually still working in the morning, but I do have a lash appointment later on in the afternoon, so I will take you guys along with me, and then after that we'll probably grab something to eat and then tour the Mag Mile, see what we can find and get in trouble with. I'm gonna hit some of those stores. So I still have the rest of the day, still early on. It's 10:30, so I've been working since 7. So I have a couple hours still left to go. Let me make sure I finish doing what I need to do, and then I will, you know, get myself together, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I am dressed and back, getting ready to go to my lash appointment. So I didn't put a lot of makeup on because she's gonna be all over my face fixing me and stuff. So I'm gonna go get my lashes done, and then we've actually decided that we are gonna go to the outlet after this. So I'm uber excited about that, so we can see what we can find. I'll bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. This is actually a sweatsuit pant from Zara. Can you guys see this? That was probably a terrible rendition. And then I'm going to wear it with my top from my coat from Topshop. I'll try to get a bit better picture of this, but I'll take you guys along with me. It looks like my lift is here, and all right, let's go. I'm back, lashes are done. This pimple is still really hating on me. I'm really happy with my lashes. I actually got my lashes done with the same girl probably like a year and a half ago, and I haven't gone to anybody since then, so that's how much I really liked what she did. We were gonna go to the outlets, but it's an hour drive just because it's rush hour traffic right now, and it's a no. So we're gonna dine in, we're gonna get some crabs, go to one of our girlfriends' houses, and yeah, just enjoy the Friday night. So come on y'all, let's go to the Magnificent Mile and hopefully get some shopping done. Yeah, because that's what I want to do. Okay, so change of plans. We did not go to the outlets, but we got something much better. Crabs. I mean, you guys want to see? Okay, I'll show y'all. This is a jalapeno cornbread. I'm very interested to see what that's gonna taste like. They got waffle fries. Nobody has fries better than Chick-fil-A, but these fries are actually seasoned, so maybe they have competition. Maybe. And then, I mean, just, yeah. I know, you wish you, is that, oh, that's corn. Okay, great. All right. I would do like an ASMR, or is that's weird though. I don't want people to watch me eat on the camera. Like, you should have better things to do than to watch people eat on camera. No shade to all y'all who do that, but. Happy Saturday, y'all. October 24th here. I have just finished getting ready. I'm done working, and now it's actually time to go to the Mag Mile. Finally making it. Didn't think it was gonna happen, but move some stuff around. Definitely gonna go. I'm not really looking for anything necessarily. I did want to hop into the H&M down here because they dropped that vampire collection, and it's not like costume, like it's a lot of like lace and like dark frilly things. So I wanted to check it out because I missed the sale online, and then I also wanted to pop into Zara, see what they had. Topshop, they actually have a store here, so I'm definitely gonna be going there, seeing what they have. And then I'm so excited I finally get to wear my shacket. I'm gonna turn this around, show you guys my outfit, and then let's go shopping. Okay, I just got to the Mag Mile. I stopped by H&M, but the line was like tremendously long, so I decided not to do that. I do see Nordstrom's over there, so I'm gonna see what they have. And then also Neiman Marcus, which is catty corner to where I am, and then we're gonna check out the Zara. And then we're gonna wrap it up, because there's way too many people out here. But still cute though. All right, let's go. Hi everybody, getting ready to go to dinner. We are having dinner at Nobu tonight. I hate these like coat hanger things. I'm trying not to panic because I cannot find my camera. It's got to be in here somewhere. Okay, so we are in Neiman. I just showed you guys some of the bags.
They looking good.
Oh my God. And she jumped out. She was calm. And let me not go into like a panic mode because I legit don't think I know where my camera is. I'm a little nervous. Happy Sunday morning. I'm actually vlogging from my camera because I left my vlogging camera at the fragrance counter at Neiman's, so that's very interesting. But luckily they found it, so last night I tried to vlog as much as possible on my phone when I wasn't interacting with my friends. So right now we are at brunch. I would show, but Show doesn't like to be on camera. There she is. So we are at the Hampton Social. It is so beautiful in here. It's like real, it's like sexy time, but like for the day, but it's still like appropriate. Because you know sometimes you go dine and you can't even see who you're sitting with because it's so dark in there. But yeah, really cool Sunday, very chill vibes. And then I'm gonna head to the airport from here and get back to reality. I don't want to leave Chicago. I don't want to leave Chicago. But yeah, hydrating. This is a ginger ale. The calamari sounds, yes.
Any allergies?
I'm allergic to shrimp, yeah, so hopefully it's not cooked.
No.
Okay.
We don't have shrimp in the house right now.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Okay.
I'm
Thank
actually
you.
gonna have
So yeah, I'm just ordering some calamari. I wish I could show you guys the menu, but now that they have like those downloadable menus, you can't really
I'll have the chicken.
can't really share the menu. But Hampton Social, definitely love it. And then I'll see what I'll order for brunch. And we'll be back. Can I? Brunch is over. I am headed to the airport. So I will see you guys later. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. If I don't, then we'll all be surprised. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Chicago was great. Owes me nothing. Lost my camera, but was definitely able to find it. The sales associate from Neiman's, no, I'm sorry, from Saks, texted me back and told me that my camera was here. So I'm really happy about that. So yep, that was my vlog of Chicago. I made it to the airport and it was terrible. I checked my bag in, everything was smooth sailing. I get to the gate and they tell me that my flight is canceled. So that turned into a 4-hour ordeal trying to get a new flight from Chicago back to Orlando. I initially had a direct flight. I had to repurchase at the counter a new ticket with American, which had a layover in Charlotte, which is their hub. So a 2-hour travel schedule turned into a 5 to 6 hour travel schedule, so I wasn't really able to finish off the vlog like I wanted, but I was tired. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again to all my Chicago peeps, and I will see you guys next time. Bye Zoe, bye Joshua, bye Asani. Love y'all. Bye bye.